Well, I was looking for a safe environment, family-based, something that I can be proud of when I say I'm coming to work in the morning. So I like to greet everybody in the morning, regardless of what type of day you're having. I like to let people know that, hey, it's going to be all right. If you're having a bad day, even if you're having a good day, let's continue and just make this day great. We work with a lot of flanges, valves, and things like that nature. This company is built on ball valves. When we get things in that's for those parts, whether it's the end caps or the ball valves or the bodies for the ball valves, we make sure we try to get those parts up there as quick as possible. The finishing machine for polishing, make sure there's no scratches or dings or anything like that in there. We do a lot of sandblasting. We send out blasted parts to customers. Everyone here is great. It's like a family environment. I'm a coach, so everything I involve everything around team, and so we're a team, and that's how I look at ANCORP.